Welcome back, costume enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the magical world of Hocus Pocus with a spotlight on the ultimate Winnie Sanderson costume for adults. I'm your host, and you're watching Product Critique, where we dissect and celebrate the finest products on the market. Let's dive right in. Behold, the disguised women's Hocus Pocus Deluxe Winnie costume, a masterpiece of enchantment and nostalgia. Crafted for those who want to channel the captivating essence of Winnie Sanderson, this costume is not just any ordinary attire. It's a ticket to becoming the main Sanderson sister herself. Let's talk details, shall we? This officially licensed Winnie Sanderson costume is designed to mesmerize. Picture yourself in the iconic green and purple sleeves, the regal purple velvet lace bodice, and the meticulously tiered skirt, all adorned with a luxurious satin petticoat. It's not just a costume, it's a transformation. But what's a fabulous costume without comfort? Fear not, fellow witches and warlocks. This ensemble is not only spellbinding in appearance but also crafted with your comfort in mind. Made from 100% polyester, it's safe, cozy, and perfect for bewitching your guests at home or any Halloween gathering. Now, let's talk about the real magic, the reactions you'll get. Whether you're strutting your stuff on Halloween night or enchanting your followers on social media, this Winnie Sanderson costume is a guaranteed showstopper. Embrace your inner witch and let the likes and compliments roll in. Before you embark on your witchy adventures, a word of advice. To keep this Winnie dress looking as bewitching as ever, we recommend hand washing. And remember, while this costume includes the dress only, you can always pair it with accessories like Winnie's signature wig for the ultimate transformation. And there you have it, folks. The disguised women's Hocus Pocus Deluxe Winnie costume. A must-have for any Hocus Pocus fan looking to cast a spell of delight this Halloween. Don't miss out on your chance to become the enchanting Winnie Sanderson. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay magical.